Winter Storm Watch 2019. Say it.
Winter Storm Watch 2019.
So enthusiastic.
Winter Storm Watch 2019. Brought to you by Keller and Amanda. Sunday, December 1st, 3:22 p.m. I hope we still produce.
Into the trenches with Amanda. Alright, so we're deep in the trenches. Amanda's got her stuff. It's not crowded at all. This lady though, I don't trust that lady. I think all of that's stolen. She hasn't paid for any of that. She doesn't plan to.
We're getting pummeled because this relentless snowstorm is now blamed for 5 deaths around Buffalo, New York. This solid wall of clouds just
Give
south
Storm
of
Watch
Buffalo.
2019 update.
Oh my